So hello again with the third installment of the crypto trader, daily trader, the Scalper. And today I'm just gonna show you a very useful tool for free. Again, we're back with Tradingview that you can access just by going to tradingview.com, and then you can simply go to chart. Okay, and then you can click on the ticker and then just put about any other cryptocurrency you want to check. So the tool I want to show you in TradeView that's very useful is basically a screen where they summarize all the technical indicators. Especially if you're not familiar with technical indicator, you don't want to really bother. You're starting, you're a beginner, you're new to this. It really gives you kind of a small hint of what to do, or especially what not to do. So if I go on Sand, which I already have open here, based out of the Binance exchange, you can choose any exchange you want. If you go here to the bottom, you have this little screen here called Technicals. If you click on More Technicals, it's going to give you kind of a summary of all the main technical indicators that are used and what they are flagging the crypto to be right now. Is it a sell, is it neutral, is it a buy? So it's divided into two categories, the oscillators and the moving averages. And basically on the left side is the oscillators, on the right side is the moving average, and the summary is just an addition of the two. So if you have 2 cells plus 0, it's 2, 7 plus 1, it's 8, and then 2 plus 14 is 16. And obviously as you change the time frame, these indicators, they change. So if you go with a month, it's telling you that for Sand, it's strong buy on the moving average, buy on the oscillator. And then if you go on 1 week, the oscillator is neutral, and so on. If you go on 5 minutes, it changes into a sell. And then you have a detailed view of every technical indicator, which one is saying sell, which one is saying buy. Now, obviously, if you just go and say, let's say 4 hour, and then it says buy, it doesn't mean you're gonna have to go and buy. That's not how it works. Obviously, there's a lot of more kind of effort to be done before you decide if you want to get into a position or not. But at least if they're all flagging red, you know, if they're all flagging sell, at least don't go and buy. Let's just put it this way. So if you go, let's say on BTC, the Bitcoin, and you check the technicals, right now they're saying sell for the day, let's say. For 30 minutes, they're saying buy. Now, at least if let's say you're in a position saying sell, at least don't go ahead and buy, for example. So don't use this to decide if you want to buy or not, but at least use it to decide what you don't want to buy. I think that's a pretty helpful tool, especially if you don't understand every one of these technical indicators. I don't know all of them, honestly. I know the main ones, the ones used by everybody you see on YouTube talking about it, or other forums or Reddit or Discord or whatever. You know, you hear a lot about the RSI, the moving averages, the MACD, all of that, the support, different support levels. But if you're not into them, at least you can come and take a look at the summary, and then at least if it's flagging red all over, at least you don't get into a position that where you actually might lose money. So at least you can use it to what not to do. Let's just put it this way. Okay, I hope this was helpful. That was a quick one. I think that's a pretty useful tool, and that it's available for everyone. Just wanted to make sure that you know about it, because you know sometimes you just look at the screen and you don't realize that you can actually come here and just scroll down and get these indicators. Okay, thanks a lot. See you in the next session. Have a good one. And please subscribe and like. Leave a comment if you have any thing to add or to say or to raise. Thanks.